Garlic, Allium sativum, is a species in the onion family, Amaryllidaceae, and is one of the oldest known cultivated plants in human history. It has been used for thousands of years both as a culinary ingredient and as a traditional medicine. Recognized for its pungent aroma and robust flavor, garlic plays a central role in many cuisines and cultural practices around the world. Garlic is a bulbous plant that grows underground. Each garlic bulb is composed of multiple sections called cloves, all encased in a thin, papery skin. The plant grows green stalks above ground, which can also be consumed. These are known as garlic scapes. It is closely related to onions, shallots, leeks, and chives. Garlic thrives in temperate climates and is typically planted in the fall for harvesting in midsummer. It is a hardy plant that requires well-drained soil and consistent sunlight. So what is the health benefits of garlic? Garlic is often referred to as a natural medicine chest because of its wide range of health-promoting properties. It has been used for centuries in traditional systems of medicine and is now backed by a growing body of scientific research. These are the health benefits of garlic. 1. Cardiovascular health, lowers blood pressure. Garlic helps reduce high blood pressure, hypertension, one of the major risk factors for heart disease and stroke. Studies have shown that garlic supplements can be as effective as some pharmaceutical drugs, especially when consumed in aged or powdered form. Reduces cholesterol levels. Garlic has been shown to lower total cholesterol and LDL, bad cholesterol levels, while sometimes slightly raising HDL, good cholesterol. Prevents atherosclerosis. Garlic may slow the development of plaque in arteries, reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. 2. Immune system support. Garlic is known for its immune-boosting properties. It can help the body fight off infections, colds, and flu. Garlic enhances the function of immune cells like macrophages, lymphocytes, and natural killer (NK) cells, which help identify and destroy pathogens. Its antimicrobial effects also target bacteria, viruses, and fungi. 3. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Garlic is rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress. 4. Cancer prevention. Some observational studies have linked garlic consumption with a lower risk of certain cancers, particularly stomach cancer, colorectal cancer, esophageal cancer. 5. Blood sugar regulation. Garlic may help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood glucose levels, which is especially beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. 6. Detoxification and heavy metal protection. Garlic supports liver function and helps eliminate toxins and heavy metals from the body, such as lead and mercury. 7. Antimicrobial properties. Garlic has been used for centuries as a natural antibiotic, especially in women. Some studies suggest that garlic may help reduce bone loss, especially in postmenopausal women, by increasing estrogen levels. Garlic also contains trace minerals like manganese, zinc, and selenium, which are important for maintaining bone density. 10. Skin and hair benefits. Garlic's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help with acne, fungal infections, and wound healing. Some natural remedies use garlic oil for hair health and to treat dandruff or scalp infections. Despite its many benefits, garlic should be used with care in some situations. Garlic is one of nature's most powerful and versatile medicinal plants. From supporting heart health and strengthening the immune system to fighting infections and potentially lowering cancer risk, garlic offers an impressive array of benefits. Whether used raw, cooked, or in supplement form, incorporating garlic into your diet is a simple and effective way to promote better overall health.